Yes, so we are done with the school transformation and Festac town. Festac has really enjoyed a lot of our products and also our services. Or let me use the word installation. These are some of our classroom banners. This one is titled Dream It, Believe It, Achieve It, and these are amazing crocodile, the smiling one. And also we have a welcome board to welcome the student back to school. So these are amazing welcome board. And our favorite, we love flowers a lot. We love flowers a lot. And we have our skills board, which is titled Our Skills Are Blooming. So those skills are written there for the children to learn from: leadership, collaboration, spelling, creativity, fluency, elocution, teamwork, and lots of them. And then also one of our favorite banner again, titled The Future of the World is in This Room. The future of the world is in this room today. And also one of our favorite again, Dream Big. So this is the reception of the school. So the we have our amazing door. This is one of our lovely doors so far, with butterfly and Winnie the Pooh. You know you love what you're seeing. You can visit our web store, ebencot.com, to see some of these. We have a lot of them in our store. And then we have posters. We have a lot of posters. Let me take you around. Let me show you more. This is the reading corner, where we have the offcuts, and this is one of the classroom.